In our office, we use the Webster technique to take care of our moms during pregnancy. What is the Webster technique? The Webster technique is a specific chiropractic analysis and adjustment that helps us decrease stress on the nervous system, improve pelvic alignment, and optimize pelvic function for birth and pregnancy. So with Webster technique, there are three main focuses. So the three things we're going to focus on for our moms is going to be power, passage, and passenger. So what are those things? So power. This is talking about power for mom. This is going to be all the nerves going to the muscles that are necessary for birth and pregnancy. So nerve supply going to your uterus is going to come from your thoracics, which we are going to address with your adjustment. So that adjustment is going to improve the communication to your uterus, which is really important for contractions and the progression of labor. If we can help make sure progression of labor is going well, that helps minimize the amount of interventions that you might have to have during labor. Passage, this is the pelvic alignment to make sure that everything is making a big, comfortable space for baby to be able to grow and develop. So pelvic alignment, the way that we are going to help with that, we're going to be focusing on the bones, muscles, and ligaments of mom in order to make a bigger space for baby. That way baby can move and get into the proper positions. Passenger, this is the ability for baby, the passenger, to be able to move around and get in the proper position for birth. But we're not actually doing anything with baby, we're working just with mom. When we're working with mom and the ligaments and working on uterine tension, the biggest thing I like to think about is think of yourself in a bed, and if you tuck the sheets in super tight, if you tried to move around, it would be really difficult. But if you untucked that sheet, you could move around a lot better. That's what we want to think of when we're trying to help baby. We're not actually doing anything to baby. We're taking the things around baby and making sure that baby can move the best that they possibly can. So Webster technique is something that we're using for all of our moms to make sure pregnancy is going super well and that they're set up for the best birth possible. If you have any more questions about Webster technique, what it is, and specifically what we're doing, reach out to us.